Veteran prosecutor Cheryl Grant-Bethell and her legal team was back in the Supreme Court this morning, this time to go over pre-trial case management for her judicial review trial scheduled for next January. This after she was sidestepped for the post of Director of Public Prosecutions. Jamaican attorney Vinette Graham-Allen was instead hired. This morning in a chamber setting, attorneys for all three parties concerned, that is Mrs. Grant-Bethell, the Judicial and Legal Services Commission or the JLSC, and the Attorney General told Senior Supreme Court Justice John Isaacs their respective positions in the matter. Wayne Monroe, Mrs. Grant-Bethell's lead attorney, said having just only received the Attorney General's affidavits on Monday, he needed time to review them, as was the case with Thomas Evans, QC, who represents the JLSC, who said he needed time to make submissions in reference to affidavits submitted to him by Mr. Monroe. Meanwhile, Brian Sims, QC, who represents Attorney General John Delaney both in his personal and professional capacity, said he was greatly concerned that his client has been prejudiced, as well as the seriousness of the allegations against him. The matter resumes on December 10th, at which time the court is expected to be apprised of all proposed applications from all the parties concerned. The trial date, however, has been set for January 17th, 2011. For JCN News, I'm Sasha Lightbourne.